So moving on to the dollar and precious, dollar index did make new lows for the recent trend, but effectively has moved sideways. Gold gapped higher, but stops at the first resistance. However, on the move back down, it did hold support, as did silver. And gold switches to December, just a reminder there, and we're $55 above spot. So the dollar index, you can see that move lower, but we've recovered somewhat. We have that major resistance at 112, and on the short-term chart, we have the top of the range at 133, which also connects with a daily level, and support at 99.30 and a half. But it's the profile where it really matters. We do have a point of most time at 99.20. We didn't quite get there today. And of course, the key level above, which is 156. On the weekly chart, first deviation up, 99.77. First one below, 99.03. Gold in world currency terms, pretty quiet, just a little bit lower on the day. And when we go to COMEX, just gone sideways once again. However, we do have a new resistance at 41.80.2. What it needs to get bullish is a daily close above 42.26.3, which would confirm the positive signal from a few weeks ago. In terms of strategic players, no change there. Daily close below 40.15.9 is your stop. On the short-term chart, we gapped higher and stopped immediately at that 41.35.1 point. However, we've held 40.85 to 74 pretty well. On the profile, no change. Point of most time remains at 40.71. And on the weekly chart, first deviation up, 4200.4. First deviation down, 40.29.1. And on the monthly chart, miles away at the moment, first deviation up, 43.47.5, and on the downside, 38.92.6. Moving on to silver, got that positive signal towards the end of last week, hasn't developed. And to confirm that positive signal, we need a daily close but above 62.17, which would open up the upside. Target 72.08. On the downside, we now have a very, very strong support zone, which extends from 56.13 to 55 even. And so the stop remains on a daily close below that 55 even point. Not a lot of change on the short-term chart. We went down to 56.92.5 and held it pretty well, but we've still got a lot of levels above. And on the weekly chart, first deviation down, 56.48.5, extreme above, 65.22. So in conclusion, dollar index trend is sideways, good support, 99.20. Gold trend is up, but we have no momentum, and wait for a positive pattern or a breakout higher. Strategic longs place stop on a daily close below 40.15.9, and a daily close above 42.26.3 is bullish, and targets 46.35.3. Silver trend is also up, but again no momentum. Place stop on a daily close below 55 even if strategic. Risk-averse players place stop below 57.60 and a half, and a daily close above 62.17 confirms the recent positivity and leaves space to rally. And here are your supports and resistances. Okay, thank you.